Hi, welcome to South Florida. I'm Doug Helm, one of the Leopard sales agents here. We are going to go through some of the extraordinary storage that our Leopard catamarans offer. Specifically, we're going to be on our 40 Powercat, showing you the storage opportunities there. There's also going to be some secret compartments that most people probably don't know about. We're going to start in the aft cockpit of our vessel with the seating area. There's a very large amount of storage space in this seating area. Underneath all three of these seats, there's a very large amount of storage located here. Also, in our aft cockpit, we offer a very large compartment over here for all the things you need when you have a day on the water. Next, we're going to make our way up to the front of the vessel where we have very large compartments for water toys and other items. So now that we're up here at the front of this magnificent vessel, we have two very large compartments located up here. This is a great space for water toys, fenders, and anything else that you can imagine. Next, we're going to make our way up to the Flybridge where there is an extraordinary amount of storage up there. So here on the Flybridge of the 40 Powercat, I'm going to show you this vast amount of storage we have located up here, starting with the seating area. There's a very large compartment located here, and adjacent to that, you'll have another compartment that you can store bottles, Cokes, or anything that you can think of in these areas. Also, next to our grill location in our refrigerator, we're gonna have a very large compartment that has a built-in drain also. And we're still not finished. We're also, on the laying lounge here, have another large area to store items. Next, we're going to move inside and I'm going to show you some of the places that you can store all your pantry items and any other items that you can think of. Welcome to the interior of the 40 Powercat. We're going to start with some storage compartments as soon as you come into the vessel. Down in the floor, we're going to have two compartments with lots of storage options. This is a great place to store your bottles and those extra groceries for those long trips. Also, right above your cooktop, there's a nice, very large area for pantry items. Glass storage, and moving down, a really nice spice rack to cook up those amazing meals. We also have this extremely cool feature. When you need something, you can actually pull this out so you can get to the items in the back of the compartment. Moving over here to our starboard side, we have a very large cabinet here, along with ample drawer storage for silverware or any other items you could think of. All our drawers are going to have soft closes on them also. Moving forward, a compartment that very few people do know about because we normally have beautiful carpets down. It's going to be right located here. Very large compartment. This is a spot that you won't see at the boat shows because we'll have those carpets down. Up here at the captain's helm seat, there's a nice storage area up here also to store some of those things that you need, like your Coast Guard manuals and items like that. And a compartment that very few people know about also, it's gonna be right next to our seating area. This is perfect for remotes, magazines, books, and other items. So down here on the starboard side, the owner's side, we're gonna start with this vanity area. Very nice vanity area with storage for all kinds of your items, or makes a great office area. Also, we're going to have storage underneath the stool. Now, moving forward, I'm going to show you the storage compartments for all the clothing that you're going to have. First, we're going to have a very large double-doored closet over here for all of your hanging items. Moving on to below the closet, we have two very large drawers. These will also have soft close on them. Then directly across from that, we're going to have a selection of 4 drawers on that side. that are also very large. And then underneath this amazing queen size island berth is going to be another very large drawer. Moving into the forward head of the owner's cabin, there's a very large cabinet located here. You'll have the option to have a washer dryer installed, or this can be used as a much larger storage area. And on all of our Leopard catamarans, the vanity is going to open for storage. You also have two large cabinets here with even more storage, and a drawer here for some storage also located in the owner's head. So over here on the port side in one of the guest cabins, you're going to have two very nice drawers located underneath the bunk. You're also going to have a hanging closet located directly behind the door for the cabin's privacy. And just like the starboard side, the port side will have another very large storage area up front, perfect for your paper towels, toilet paper, any other big items that you need to store on the vessel. Moving into the center of the vessel on the port side, there's going to be a very large linen closet to store all your towels and linens for the vessel. We're now going to make our way back to the aft bedroom. The aft bedroom is going to have a queen size island berth with a very large drawer storage underneath the bed. And this is the hanging closet in the aft guest room also, with a shelf to put other things and lots of stuff that you can hang in this